I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your device runs the latest system update and that iCloud backup completed recently. Sign into Settings or System Preferences with your Apple ID so the account panel is active. Once signed in, make sure two-factor authentication is set and a trusted phone number or device is reachable. This avoids lockouts. Now, open Password and Security to start the password change flow. Doing this within Settings keeps your iCloud data linked and safe. You will now change the password. In Settings, tap your name, then Password and Security, and choose Change Password. When prompted, enter your device passcode to prove it's you. This is faster than email resets and preserves keychain access. Type a new strong password. Use a phrase with letters, numbers, and symbols, then confirm it. Once you tap Change, the new password propagates to iCloud and connected services, which is why you should stay connected to Wi-Fi or cellular until sync completes. Once done, your devices will re-authenticate automatically or prompt you to re-enter the new password in apps like Mail and Messages. Follow those prompts immediately so sync doesn't stall. Make sure iCloud and Keychain show green check marks and recent backup timestamps to confirm data continuity. If something goes wrong and you are locked out, use account recovery via a trusted device or call Apple support for identity verification. That process restores access without deleting your iCloud data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.